In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable flash notifications on the Samsung Galaxy A15. So first, open the Settings app, then scroll and select Accessibility. Under Accessibility, tap on Advanced Settings, and here you should see the option Flash Notification. Tap on that. Then you should see two types of flashes that you can use. You have the camera flash notifications, which when enabled and you tap on the preview button, you should see it appearing. So you can choose a camera flash notification, or you can choose a screen flash notification, and when you tap on preview, it will appear on your screen. You can choose to have both notifications if you want, and then you'll see how it works when you tap on the preview button. You can also customize the flash notification options. You can choose for the color for the screen flash notification. You can choose the color that appears on your device. And then when you tap on done, and you can also choose which apps will have that screen flash notification. So you can choose one or multiple. It's up to you to decide. Then you can also customize the camera flash notification by choosing which apps it will appear on. So you can choose to have it enabled on Google Drive, but disabled on a game that you've installed on your device. So it's up to you to customize this list. And once you've customized, you can just tap on preview and you should see the notifications appearing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.